Hello guys, for this video I will try just to explain something very important in this crypto asset thing. You know, this month, 2 months or 3 months, the Security Exchange Commission is after the cryptocurrencies asset, because we have, as you might know, we have the futures asset, we have the stock market asset, we have the bond asset, we have the precious materials like gold and silver and the other. So all these are assets. But you know, the Security Exchange Commission get interested to try to see all this stuff of Bitcoin. And you have seen these 2 years or 3 years, there are a lot of meetings with the Congress, and they bring all the big players like brokers that they do cryptocurrencies. And as you might know, some brokers who are doing stocks, they join and they add some cryptocurrencies like PayPal and the other stuff like Robinhood. Understand that this asset is new, and the Security Exchange Commission tries to put its hands on the cryptocurrencies and to see whether these cryptocurrencies, one by one, if it is a security or it is not a security. So I will explain. If, for example, we take anything, let's say we take Ethereum. Now, if Ethereum is a security, so the Security Exchange Commission, they tell this Ethereum company, for example, they say, why you don't register as a security? Why you hide? It means as he hides. And you know, they have fined other brokers because of that. Because of that. And cryptocurrencies, other cryptocurrencies, they have been fined because of that. So it makes trouble in the market in this 2023. It makes a lot of trouble. Now, the beginning of the market, stock market, like cryptocurrencies, in January and February, they were good. It was the beginning of a good year. But at the end of February and March, there are a lot of troubles. Okay? So, Bitcoin, the majority of people, and even the Security Exchange Commission, thinks that the only cryptocurrency that it is not a security, this might be Bitcoin. Now, why is that? Why Bitcoin is not the same as cryptocurrencies? Because the company is set to be independent. It means there are no third party who manipulate Bitcoin and like Ethereum. Ethereum, there are people who can manipulate Ethereum, adding Ethereum things, doing some stuff. They say that it's, for example, each 6 months they do their meeting and they change things. Now, when they change things, it means they manipulate this cryptocurrency in their favor. You understand that this is money, okay? But Bitcoin, it's not manipulated, okay? It's not manipulated because there is no third party. There is no one who will change the rules for Bitcoin. Bitcoin, when the rules have been set, there is no change from 2008 to 2010 until now. There is no change. Okay, even the Bitcoin number, it is limited. But you see the other they are not limited. You see, for example, Shiba Inu or something. We have billions and billions of Shiba. I don't know. So these most of these cryptocurrencies, in my opinion, if the Security Exchange Commission go after them, most of them they will be securities. It means that they will be fined, and they will ask them to register, and then to file and to give information to the investors. Because understand, a security, like a stock, for example, a company go public, it should file each 3 months what she is doing, how much money she make, is there a change in its board, who takes this, who sends this. You see, it means it will be regulated. And this is the aim of Securities Exchange Commission, is everything will be regulated, and it's not to be decentralized as before, because it's a lot of money. So the Security Exchange Commission see that, and the banks, banks in America, they see billions of dollars go to these securities, and they don't enjoy anything. It means they are out of the game. How can big companies, big banks, they will be out of this game? They should be in, because it's money. And American companies, like banks, they need to put a hand inside. So when everything is regulated, the banks, USA banks, will profit from the exchange for things, for example, wallets, to put your cryptocurrencies or to hold them. And Security Exchange Commission with USA government wants to tax. And this is another thing that people don't know. But right now, for example, if you put your money into Coinbase, you buy or you sell, it is taxed. But other people who buy and sell in other exchanges that are not regulated by USA, so what will happen is that America doesn't know how much money is out. It means when someone makes money, he is not taxed. Now, this is what most of the people want, but understand that in USA we have rules, and taxpayer, all the people should pay tax, because you get benefits, and most of the people, they don't want to pay tax and to get benefits. Okay? So the only thing that it is now clean, as it is not a security, it is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is considered as a property. A property, it means it's like real estate. It means when you buy a piece of Bitcoin, like 1,000 or 2,000, 3,000, you are buying property. This property can be devaluated, or it can increase in value, but it has nothing to do with the other securities. Okay? Because that's the deal. That's the deal. So Bitcoin will not be a security. So it means it's not to show the people like the other securities, to file each 3 months and to give information and to do, because this is independent. It is like a property for the whole world. Anyone can buy. It's just like a property. So the Security Exchange Commission will not go after Bitcoin. And this is the good thing. That's why a lot of people, they acquire a lot of Bitcoin, because they know that Bitcoin is limited. So the number of Bitcoin is limited. So in the future, they will be rare and more rare and more rare. It is not like, for example, when you say gold is rare. No, gold, yes, it is rare, but it is everywhere, and they discover mines, gold mines everywhere, and each year in all the world, even in the ocean. But Bitcoin, the number is limited. Okay? And if it's going up, it can go to 100,000, 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, because there will be no other Bitcoin. And no one has done the same as Bitcoin. You understand? There is no third party. So for all this, I think in the future, you will see a lot of volatility in cryptocurrencies. It's just because Security Exchange Commission is after these cryptocurrencies and they want to find them. To find them all, it means they want money because they don't register as a security. And I think, in my opinion, if the Security Exchange Commission has given just a notice to all cryptocurrencies to register as a security, and that's all, without finding them, not to let them work for 6 years or 10 years or 13 years, and then they come after them and they say, why you don't register? Okay, but I think in the future the Congress will make rules and will make laws, okay, to define all this stuff. So there is a big work it's going on in this asset, because it's about money. Whenever there is something related to money, the government should rule and have laws, and everyone should respect the law. Okay, so understand that in the future you might see a lot of cryptocurrencies considered as securities. They will be fined. Some, maybe they will fall. They will fall. It means it was $1 and then it becomes 1 cent in a few days. Or there are some which is not considered like a cryptocurrency, like a security, like Bitcoin. It might continue to go up, because all the people, they know that it is a safe thing. Also, understand that this Bitcoin, you can change it everywhere in the world. And this is something that I think the federal government is looking at it very, very closely. Because people, out of the law, can use Bitcoin to do their stuff, to buy weapons, to buy anything, because it's something that it is out of the reach of the governments. Okay, because all these systems work outside the governments. There are some governments that they accept Bitcoin and the cryptocurrencies. Some countries, they ban them, but they ban them at all. They don't use them and they don't let people buy them. So all this will be clear in these years, in the following years, and then it will settle up and it will become like a stock market. It means you buy this crypto, you sell this crypto. If you make money, you get taxed. If you don't make money, you can add this to your deductions, and they if you have a loss, they will take it from your earnings. It means it will be very fair for everybody. Okay, so this is what I want to tell you about cryptocurrencies and about whether Bitcoin is property or it is a security. And there are a lot of things that are going on. And if you are following so closely, you will find that each 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, there are new things appearing in this category asset, which is cryptocurrencies. Okay, so guys, if you have other questions or something, because for me, I'm just sharing my ideas with you guys. So anyone has his own idea or his own perception, and anyone is free to invest or to trade or whatever you want to do. You are free to do what you want to do. Okay, thank you very much and have a nice day.